Hi everyone, this is me Shubhashmita and welcome back to my channel Glam Tint Edition. In today's video, I am creating a Lara Raj inspired glam look with a little twist, sari vibe. I wanted this look to feel traditional but still modern and bold at the same time. We are going for a sculpted base, warm eyes, sharp liner, and a soft nude lip combo. So let's start with skin prep. Good makeup always start with good skin prep. First, I have already applied rose water as a toner to refresh and hydrate my skin. Next, I am using Pond's Super Light Gel as my moisturizer. It's lightweight and helps my skin feels smooth without making it oily. Then I am applying Himalaya face gel to add extra hydration to create a smooth base for makeup. I am gently massaging everything into my skin and letting it absorb properly before starting the base. So now I am moving to my eyebrows. I'm using the ashy black shade from Sil's Professional palette to fill my brows. I'm defining the shape softly and filling in the sparse areas. I don't want to them too dark, just natural structured. Filling them in, I am brushing through them to blend everything evenly. I'm starting with a Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 01 Warm Sand. Applying this around the areas where I need coverage. Now I am adding a little bit of peach cream concealer on my cheekbone area. This adds warmth and slightly corrects any dullness. I am keeping it very subtle because I don't want to the base look too heavy. I'm blending it slowly so it melts into my skin and looks natural. The blush from the Glam 21 3-in-1 Sunset palette. I am placing it slightly higher on my cheeks so it gives a lifted effect. I am blending it well so it does not look patchy. For more brightness, I am taking Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 04. I am applying it on the high points of my face, under the eyes, center of the forehead, bridge of the nose, and chin. Blending is very important here so everything looks smooth. To set the darker areas of my face, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Compact in 310. I'm pressing it gently into the skin so it's stay long lasting and smooth. Now I am taking the contour shade from the Glam 21 3-in-1 Sunset palette. For the lighter highlighted areas, I am lightly baking with Glam 21 loose powder in shade 03 Almond. This helps brighten the under eye and keeps the makeup crease free. Moving to the eyes, I'm using my palette from Sales Professional. I'm starting with a warm shade in the crease to create depth. I'm building the color slowly and blending it properly. For the cut crease, I'm using the same highlighting concealer to crave out my lid. This makes the lid area clean and helps the shimmer stand out more. After blending everything, I am using Blue Heaven eyeliner to create a sharp wing. I am slightly extending it outward to lift my eyes. Now for the lower lash line, I am applying Glam Ganesh Kajal to define my eyes. Then I am softly smudging it using a brown eyeshadow to give it a blended smoky effect. And don't want to too much harsh, just sliding diffused for depth. For lashes, I am applying Mars Double Trouble Mascara to add volume and length without using false lashes. All my brushes today are from BH Studio Pro and they really help in smooth blending. For lips, I am starting with a nude lip liner to shape and define my lips. Then I am filling them with Mars 07 Chai Latte Pumpkin Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. To add a slight cool tone and depth, I am using contour shade from the Glam 21 Sunset palette and blending it softly on the outer corners. Art for the final touch on the lips, I'm applying a little bit of Zudio PH lip oil right at the center. These are signs and give a subtle glossy finish while making the lips look fuller. Then I am applying the highlighter from the same palette on my cheekbone, nose tip and brow bone for a soft glow. And that completes the makeup. Now I am keeping my hair open to give this look a soft elegance film. I am adding my jewelry to enhance the sari inspired vibe. I am also applying a small bindi to bring in that traditional touch. It really ties the whole look together. To brighten the eyes a little more, I am adding some highlighter to my inner corners. And finally, I am finished the look with a body highlighter lotion on my collarbones and shoulder for the subtle glow. And here is my final look. If you loved this glam transformation, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Glam Tint Edition for more makeup looks like this. And if you want to see more everyday outfits, many makeup looks and exclusive content, follow me on Instagram. My ID is on the screen and in the description box too. Let's stay connected there too and see you in my next glam.